In this Google Calendar tutorial, we are going to solve a huge efficiency puzzle: how to copy your weekly plan. If you've ever built a perfect week and then thought, I have to do this all over again next week, this guide is for you. You've spent time and effort perfectly mapping out your ideal week. Maybe it's a project launch, a new workout schedule, or your class timetable. It's all there on your calendar. Now you're looking at the next week, and it's completely blank. You're probably looking for a copy week button, and I have to tell you it doesn't exist. But don't worry, there are two easy ways to copy your weekly plan in Google Calendar. The method you choose just depends on why you're copying it. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you both methods. First, how to duplicate a specific one-time week. And second, the better way, how to create a repeating weekly plan that copies itself automatically. Let's start with the first scenario. This method is perfect if you have a special week, like a conference schedule or a finals week, and you want to repeat that exact set of events on a different, specific week in the future. For this, you absolutely must be on a computer. It is much, much faster. Unfortunately, you cannot copy the whole week at once. You have to copy each event one by one, but the duplicate feature makes it very fast. First, go to the week you want to copy. Find the first event in your plan, for example, Team Huddle. Click on that event. In the small window that pops up, find the three-dot Options menu in the top right corner. Click it. From the menu, select Duplicate. Google Calendar will immediately open a copy of that event. All the details are there: the title, the guest list, the location, everything. The only thing you need to change is the date. Click on the date and change it from this Monday to the next Monday, or to whatever future date you want this plan to start on. Then just click the blue Save button. That's it. You've just copied that one event. Now, you just have to do this for the other key events in your plan. Click the event, click the three dots, click Duplicate, and change the date. It might take you 60 seconds, but it's much faster than creating them all from scratch. Now, let's talk about the better way. If this weekly plan is actually your routine, like your work schedule, your class times, or your daily habits, then you should not be duplicating them at all. You should be using the repeating or recurring feature. This is how you build a template once, and Google copies it for you forever. Let's start fresh. Click on your calendar to create your first event. Let's say you have focus work every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Create the first event on Monday at 9 a.m. Give it the title Focus Work. Now, right below the date and time, you will see the button that says Does Not Repeat. This is the magic button. Click it. A menu will pop up. You could just select Weekly on Monday, but we want to customize it for our full weekly plan. So, at the bottom of the list, click on Custom. This opens a new box where you can build your plan. You can set it to Repeats every 1 week, and then, right below that, you can check the boxes for the days you want. M for Monday, U for Wednesday, and F for Friday. Click Done. Now, when you click the blue Save button, Google Calendar will automatically copy that focus work event to every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday forever. You can then do this for your other routine events like admin and emails, which repeats every weekday, or gym, which repeats weekly on Tuesday and Thursday. By doing this, you are building a repeating weekly plan that you only have to create once. So, there you have it. You now know the two ways to copy a weekly plan on Google Calendar. To summarize, if you need to copy a specific one-time set of events to a new date, you must use the duplicate option on each event individually. But if you are building a routine or a template that you want to happen over and over, you must use the Does Not Repeat button to create a recurring event. This is the method that lets Google do all the copying work for you. I truly hope this guide helped you save a ton of time. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more productivity tricks for Google Calendar, be sure to subscribe. Finally, I have a question for you. Are you trying to copy a specific one-time project week, or are you trying to build a new weekly routine for yourself? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.